Greetings students, welcome to my class. How are you my dear students? I hope that you all are fit and fine, and I hope the same for your family members. Student, please take care of yourselves because you must be seeing on news channels that the cases of the second wave of coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic is really cases are increasing day by day. India is recording more than 3 lakh cases per day of COVID-19 second wave, and it is really dangerous my dear students. Hospitals are full, there are no beds, the shortage of oxygen. This news is all over the news channels. So this is really a testing time for all of us my dear students. So I request you all to please stay at home, stay safe. If you don't have any work or any emergency, don't go out of your house and stay at your house. Take care of yourselves, help your family members, take care of your parents also and other family members too, and please stay at home. So my dear students, now coming back onto the study, we completed tenses chapter in the previous class. I hope the topic of tenses is clear to you all. आप सभी को बहुत ही अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा टॉपिक tenses का, and you people have no doubt. Right my dear students, now in today's class we are going to start the second chapter of your English textbook. The name of your English textbook is First Flight, and the chapter name is Long Walk to Freedom, which is written by Nelson Mandela. Long walk to freedom means there is स्वतंत्रता के लिए एक लंबी चाल या लंबा रास्ता तय करना, संघर्ष भरा, full of struggle, obstacles, difficulties. By whom? By Nelson Mandela. So this chapter, before we start this chapter, I would like to give you a brief summary of this chapter. This chapter, first of all my dear student, it is an extract which is taken from his own biography. Nelson Mandela himself says, and himself he has taken this small extract from his ओन बायोग्राफी. अपनी खुद की जो आत्मकथा उन्होंने लिखी है, जीवनी जो उन्होंने लिखी है, उसी में से उन्होंने ये छोटा सा एक हिस्सा लिया है, राइट, और एक चैप्टर बनाया, लॉन्ग वॉक टू फ्रीडम. इन दिस स्मॉल एक्सट्रैक्ट he tells us about the struggle that he spent 30 years in jail. 30 years of his life, 30 साल अपने जीवन के उन्होंने जेल में बिताए. क्यों बिताए भाई? अगर कोई 30 साल जेल में बिताता है तो कोई रीज़न होगा. क्या उन्होंने कोई क्राइम किया था, क्या अपराध किया था? वॉज ही अ क्रिमिनल? डिड ही डू एनीथिंग रॉन्ग? डिड ही कमिट सम क्राइम और एनीथिंग एल्स? नो. He spent 30 years of his life when he actually realized that what is the real meaning of freedom. Then he started to protest. प्रोटेस्ट मीन्स विरोध करना. किसके अगेंस्ट में विरोध करना शुरू किया? अगेंस्ट दिस सिस्टम, दिस APARTHEID. डोंट स्पेल इट और pronunciate it like apartheid. That will be wrong. This H will be silent here my dear students, and the pronunciation, सही उच्चारण जो होगा उसका apartheid, not apartheid or apartheid. H will be silent. You can go and cross check on Google how to correctly pronunciate this word apartheid. So this system that separates people according to their race, this system, human disaster, it was there in South Africa. It lasted there for more than 300 years my dear students, and he fought against this system. This system was not established by some other country people in South Africa. No, South African own people who were fair in color, and those who were not fair in color. Those who were fair in color, they established this system, and they curtailed the freedom. They deprived black people who were not fair in color, who were black in color. They deprived them from their basic rights. And Mandela fought against this system for whole his life. When he was in his last decade of the 20th century, he became the first black president after spending 30 years in jail to fight against this system apartheid. His Congress Party, African National Congress Party, won 252 out of 400 total seats and he became the first black president. यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें वो बताता है कि मैंने 30 साल लाइफ के अपने ज़िंदगी के गुजारे हैं और अपार्टहाइड सिस्टम के अगेंस्ट फाइट किया. और इनाग्रेशन डे, द टू वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स आर हियर, 2-3 वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन दिस. ही टॉक्स अबाउट द डे, दैट इम्पॉर्टेंट डे 10th May 1994, that was the inauguration day, because on that particular day more than 140 countries, dignitaries, VIP people, celebrities, so you can say a very important person, ministers and other higher official people, they came there to attend that ceremony which took place. Where did it take place? Place of inauguration, place of that ceremony, amphitheater, Union Building of Pretoria, there it took place. वहाँ पर ये हुआ था. ये important day है 10th May 1994. और कहाँ पे ये जगह हुआ, किस जगह पर हुआ था? Amphitheater, Union Building, Pretoria, place of inauguration. This is the day and this is the place where this ceremony took place. Why this day is very important? Because after 300 years of this system in South Africa, this system was over and Nelson Mandela became the first black president after 300 years of this system. Right, my dear student, and he talks about the ceremony, he talks about that day, that on that particular day he took the oath to become the first black president of South Africa. And my dear students, he talks about the ceremony, he talks about the celebration, how the celebration take place. He talks about the Impala jet, patterns made by Impala jet. He talks about the armed forces general saluting him, जो उसको शायद सैल्यूट नहीं करते. अगर कुछ समय पहले की बात है, आज उसको सैल्यूट कर रहे हैं, because the armed forces higher authorities, general marshals, they salute the post, they salute they serve the country. He was not the president, so they would have arrested it, but now he is the president, so they were saluting him. He talks about that. He talks about, and he remembers all the people who were with them and who were not with him, who were not with him, who were with him, who were not with him, and they sacrificed their life. He mention about कुछ नेताओं के नाम भी बताता है, वो बताते हैं नेल्सन मंडेला इस चैप्टर में. और वो ये भी याद करते हैं कि सेलिब्रेशन कैसे हुआ, ये भी याद करते हैं कि कितने सेक्रीफाइसेस दिए हैं. एंड नेल्सन मंडेला ऑल्सो says 2-3 things, 2 very important things, that courage is not the absence of fear. करेज इज़ टू ओवरकम दैट फियर. जो साहस होता है, हिम्मत होती है, ये नहीं कि डर नहीं लगता है. द पर्सन डज नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ एनीथिंग और एनी वन. नो, ही सेज दैट एवरी पर्सन, एवरी वन हैज़ सम काइंड ऑफ फियर, सम काइंड ऑफ ही फियर. एंड it is not the absence of fear. Courage is to overcome that fear, to face that fear of yours and उस पर विजय प्राप्त करना ही courage कहलाता है. He also says that people must learn to hate, because if people can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. यानी कि लोगों को नफ़रत करना भी सिखाना सिखाना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर उनको नफ़रत कर सकते हैं तो वो प्यार भी कर सकते हैं. And to love is more easy to hate. That's why he says people must learn to hate. We will read in this chapter. इसमें मेंशन करते हैं वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें. My dear students, we will do the further explanation, a detailed explanation also. What did he say about the courage? What did he say about the people must learn to hate, because they can be taught to love, and love is more easier than to hate someone. And he also talks about that, when he was a child, what does freedom means to him, and when he grew up, when he was a child, he used to think that he was free, and when he grew up, then he came to know the real meaning of freedom. उनको असली मतलब स्वतंत्रता का पता चला, because at that point of time he realized that not only his freedom was curtailed, but his brothers, sisters, the whole, each and every black person's freedom was curtailed. My dear students, he realized at that point of time. We will also do that, my dear students. And he talks about the people who are being oppressed by the oppressor, and he also talks about the difference between oppressor and oppressed. He says that the people who takes the freedom of someone, they are oppressor, and those freedoms are being taken, they are oppressed. But he also says that oppressor is also, his freedom is also curtailed. He is also the behind the cages of some kind of things. He is not here. He says that he also said the oppressor and the oppressor alike are robbed of their humanity. सो ही सेज दैट जो ऑपरेसर होते हैं, जो दूसरों के ऊपर जुल्म करते हैं, वो खुद भी असुरक्षा की भावना से ग्रस्त होते हैं. दे आर केस्ड बिहाइंड देयर इनसिक्योरिटीज़. सो ही टॉक्स अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स, माय डियर स्टूडेंट, in this particular chapter, which is an extract of his own biography. So my dear student, this was the brief summary. We will do the detailed explanation of the chapter in the next video. In this video, that's it. Thank you.